Asian Emerald Cuckoo stands as the most vibrantly plumaged species within the cuckoo family, renowned as a highly ornamental small bird. Males exhibit a brilliant metallic green overall, displaying dazzling golden bronze iridescence under sunlight. They possess striking crimson eye rings and bright orange-yellow bills with black tips. Their breast feathers feature distinctive horizontal bars of white and green, which is a hallmark characteristic. These cuckoos are exceptionally active and agile, demonstrating swift, powerful flight. Their diet consists primarily of insects, supplemented occasionally by small quantities of fruits and seeds. Native to Southeast Asia and southwestern China. The species was listed on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species in 2016.